Hey and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to merge AI Behavior Toolkit with MPSystem. So let's start off by going into our MPSystem project, editor preferences, and in search details we're going to search for EQS and enable that. Once that's done, we are going to go into our AI Behavior Toolkit project and right click on the AI Behavior Toolkit folder inside of the content, like this. And then what's it called, migrate that over to your project. Okay. And after that's done, we can close the AI Behavior Toolkit project. And now when we are in MPSystem, we can start by going into the folder of AI Behavior Toolkit, blueprints, and open up the MPC base. Then when we are here, we are going to go into perform ranged attack, and what's it called, like expand that, and then in owner we're going to write self, compile, save on, just because. Once that's done, we're going to go into the examples and then projectile, and in here we are going to do in event instigator. We are going to go to get AI controller and get owner, that, compile, save, and then we are going to go into the MPSystem game blueprints and open up the master blueprint, and in here we are going to search for tags and add a tag called player, and then we are going to create a component called behavior trigger component, compile and save. Like that, and then we are going to go into our projectile blueprint of here, and inside of this we are going to let's see, we're going to drag out of this, or no, never mind, we are going to drag out of other actor and cause to pp npc base and connect that to this here, and then this one to that one, like that. Or no, never mind, we're going to connect this up to here, and then we're going to get capsule component equal to other component and do a branch. Just make this a bit cleaner, easier to read on. And then branch, and then if that's true, we are going to drag out and write behavior to get the behavior component. After that we're going to write is alive and add a new branch, and if it's alive we are going to apply damage, and the amount of damage is going to be 5, and damaged actor is going to be MC base. And then if this one is false, it's going to go into here. Then that one after that is going to go in here. It's kind of messy, but I hope you still understand. Wait, let's see. That's not going to go in. Just those 3. Compile, save. And then we go into the master blueprint of the MPSystem again, and we are going to go into combat, and in here we are going to go down here, and after cost to damage receiver blueprint, we're going to write a new apply damage type. Base damage is going to be this one, and damaged actor is going to be hit actor. Event instigator is going to be instigator, and damage causer is going to be self, like that. And then we are going to go down here at the client shooting, and here we are going to write send aria message, like this. Instigator is going to be self, and location is going to be get actor location. Radius is going to be 1000, and message is going to be threat. And then we're going to duplicate this one and make instigator self again, and target this behavior trigger component, and location is going to be location. Radius is going to be the same, and message is going to be help. And then we are going to connect those here to this one down here too, like that. Save all, and let's try by going into a behavior toolkit example shooter, and open up this one. Oh yeah, I don't remember if we did this. Yeah, we did. Never mind. Oh, we also need to remove the game mode there. Okay, so we died, which is good. At least everything works. Looks like everything works. So yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and hope it works for you. Else, just let me know in the comments. Thanks.